Look at that rodent, guys. It's a big rodent. It came my garden. They eat my all eggplants. You guys can see. I put it all eggplants. I put it bags. Still they are eating my all eggplants and plants. They are eating. See, it's a big rodent. I put it net also, but it doesn't work. They goes inside and they put it hole over there. I put it stone, but still it doesn't. And I put it wood also over there. They came. They dig it and they came. It's a big rodent and it is stuck in the net, and he died. It's a baby rodent, but the big one also comes and they eat. Squirrel also bothering now. Rodent also bothering. See, you guys can see it's a big rodent. It's stuck. I'm trying to bring outside. It is stuck.